Hey Titan fam. Today I'd like to go over one of the very first mods and videos I did for my Titan truck. This was probably way back in 2014 when the truck was new. So 7 years ago, it worked for 7 years. I just redid it today, finally stopped working. So what it is a cheap RGB LED strip from Amazon, and I wired it into the cargo lights. So let me hit my key fob and unlock it and see it come on. So this works on the unlock, and it works on the door open, and it also works on the cargo light button in the cab. So very, very simple to do. I've got my LED light strip ran. So this is the control module here. It's got a remote. So if you want to change up the sequence or the colors, you can do it on the remote from here, and it will stay on. Turn it off on the remote too if you want. So I've got the control module here. I've got it screwed to the bed. I've got the power wire here. I've ran that through into the headlight, or sorry, the taillight housing. I added some heat shrink here to hold that together and keep water out of there. And this is pretty much the exact same setup I put in 7 years ago that worked for all that time. Only difference is I had that epoxy there before. I didn't have any epoxy this time, so I just screwed it on. So let's show you how this works. So what I've done in here is I've stole power from the cargo light, which is this one here. It shines into the tailgate area. So the red wire is the power, and I just chose a ground. You could probably ground somewhere else. I just thought it would be easy to, so it's a ground to one of the blacks. You could probably use the other black as well. And yeah, so there's the wire there. I just got a hole running through into the bed. And I'm not really worried about overpowering that circuit because all the cargo bulbs in this truck have been upgraded to LED. This one, the one over there, the cargo lights up there are LED as well. 7 years, never had a problem, never blown a fuse. If you want, you could run a dedicated power wire from the front of the truck. You could even run a relay and just hook the relay to the red wire and your power to the relay, and then you can set it up so that the power's coming from the front, but that will control the relay, and you still have the exact same. Okay, so like I said, key fob, unlock, LED lights on. And this is handy with the tonneau cover, because with the tonneau cover at night you don't see what's under the bed. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more Titan videos.